Step 1. Install the air filter. Install the filter element to the pipe opening. Tighten the bolts again until they are stable. Step 2. Install the exhaust pipe. Remove the nuts and screws. Align the exhaust pipe and the hole. Tighten nuts and screws. Step 3. Add coolant. Unscrew the water tank cap. Refilling coolant. Fill to the water inlet. Press and tighten the water tank cap. Step 4. Add oil. Unscrew the lid. Fill 4 liters of oil. Tighten the lid. After 10 minutes of standing, removing the oil dipstick. The oil level is between the two marking lines. The system can operate safely. Step 5. Add diesel. Unscrew the engine cover. Take out the key and keep it aside. Pour diesel into the filter element, or judge the fuel level by observing the fuel tank scale line. Press oil pump with 10 times or more. Exhaust the air in the oil pipe. Step 6. Connect the battery. Red is positive, green is negative. Tighten the nut at the interface. Step 7. Take over the road. Align the water inlet pipe with the flange interface. Tighten the lower interface. Then put in the sealing leather pad. Finally tighten other interfaces. Tighten the screws to prevent leakage. Repeat the operation and connect the water outlet pipe. Tighten the outlet pipe joint to prevent liquid leakage. Product installation completed.